Hello and welcome to our channel. If you have accidentally deleted the chats on Snapchat and now you want to read it, this video is just for you. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Now you have to tap on your profile. After your profile is opened, tap on Settings. Scroll down. Now you have to tap on I need help. Scroll down. Click on Contact Us. Now you have to tap on I have a privacy question. Then on Still Need Help, click Yes. Select Where is my data stored. Then you have to submit a report. Simply fill up the form. You can see here I'm filling up the form. And now all you have to do is submit it. And that's how you do it. After doing this, you'll be able to read the deleted chats on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.